Today I'm going to be comparing these two grooming kits, luxury grooming. This is going to be a gift for him. More specifically, if they have a beard, there's going to be two beard trimming kits. I don't have a beard right now. We're just getting out of winter, but lots of great options in here. So this is the luxury grooming kit right over here. And this is going to be, I would say, more kind of spa type of stuff. So let's go through both of them and I'll kind of give you my opinion. So this right here, this one is the bathtub right over here. This could literally just sit on a sink, a toilet, a bathtub, or whatever. So all this stuff could just fit right in there, which I think is nice. They also, this one comes with like kind of like a little sticky tack kind of stuff to hold this stuff in place. So when you open it, it doesn't go all over the place. This one comes wrapped in plastic, has a bow, and also has a tag. So this one right over here, we're gonna get so this is all in saddlewood. So this is going to be a beard wash and conditioner right over here. We have bath salts over here. We got a beard brush, a beard comb. We have some deodorant right over here, which is kind of a nice touch. We got some shower gel right over here as well. You're going to need 300 milligrams of this. Same with the beard. We got some beard oil right over here. We got some beard balm right over here. And we have a nice little towel over here. So that's kind of what comes in that set right over there. So now onto the luxury grooming set right over here. This, we're going to get a carrying case right over here. This, I've never taken this out, but this is basically like a barber thing that they put over you. So if you wanted to really put a barber's kind of plastic piece over you, you could do that. We got a beard straightener right over here. We got some beard balm. I've actually never seen a beard straightener before, so that's kind of cool. We have a razor right over here, so you can kind of clean up your beard or wherever else. This is how you're going to turn on right down here. So you have that right over there. We got a nose hair trimmer right over here. Got a nice little plastic top on it. We got some beard oil here. We got the brush, some combs, and these are going to be all the accessory pieces. I like to keep them in here in the plastic to kind of keep them nice. And then we got the charger and instructions over here. Nice little Ziploc to keep everything going. Really, really nice, which is great. So if you're between both of these, this one right over here, I would say the luxury grooming kit right over here. This is kind of like more tactical stuff. Like you have shavers. Like this is like, hey, more, I would say more like beard maintenance would be here. You got your razors, you got nose hair trimmer, you got a straightener, you have some beard oil, you have a balm. But this one right over here, this is where you're going to have like more like get your beard shampooed, some shower gel, some kind of more pampering type of stuff. You do have the deodorant over here, some bath salts. So I would say if you want, if the person that you're getting this for has kind of like a trimmer and stuff like that, this might be a better fit for them because they just kind of need the oils and stuff. But if you kind of are looking for a trimmer, the barber shawl or whatever that's called, nose hair clippers, this is going to be the one for you. If you're looking just for kind of like body wash, beard oil, stuff like that, this is going to be the better one. Can't really go wrong with one. It just really depends on who you're buying for, or if you're buying it for yourself, who knows? Maybe get both of them because they kind of complement each other in a way. You got all the tools in here, and then you kind of have all the gels and stuff and bath salts in there, so they could go together. So either one is good. So if you're looking for someone to get that luxury gift for them, definitely check this out.